It's your girl Brianna Sharee
and your girl Khamari, and today we'll be outside painting with Bob Ross and sipping on some drink today too.
You got that right. But we need y'all to let us know who has the best painting. So cast your votes in the comment section and let us know who wins. Extra points if you vote for me. But you know, I'm not gonna pressure y'all.
Where's the point system? Nowhere.
Let's get to it, to the sipping paint. Alright, Khamari, what we sipping on and what we painting?
So today we're painting Sunset Aglow, and we're sipping on Monaco. I think this is Blue Crush, and then I think I have the lime with lemonade in it, but the
with
Blue
tequila,
Crush,
yeah.
with tequila, my bad. The blue one has like rum, vodka, gin, tequila. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so I'll probably be drinking that as well. So yeah, that's what we're drinking on and painting today.
Alright, let's get to it. What you got for us, Bob?
Hi, welcome back. Certainly glad you could join us today. I thought today we'd do a painting. It just has a lot
I can
of
listen
color
to him
and one
talk.
Make you feel good
Oh,
inside.
Yeah, he's so
So let's
soothing.
start out and have him run all the colors.
Alright, let's see
across
these
the screen
colors.
that you need to paint
Titanium
on.
white.
Doing that, let me tell you what I've got done.
Lafiel blue. What the
I have my
hell is
standard
that?
old 18 by 24 inch
Perusian blue.
pre-stretched canvas. But
They
you
be
can
killing me
resize
with
it
these
you want.
adjectives for these
I just
colors.
covered the
Midnight
entire
black.
canvas with a
Dark sienna.
white, so the
That got to be
canvas
a
is all
red.
wet, and we can literally blend color up there. So
Van Dyke
let's do
brown.
it. We'll start with our little tiny 2-inch brush today.
2-inch brush.
Pepper right
get
into a
to it.
small amount.
Oh, I have this
Indian
little ass
yellow.
brush.
Just a very small amount.
Indian
Get
yellow.
one of
Go
those.
right up here in the sky and just.
Oh yeah, this is the
Oh fuck, he going fast.
Damn,
Oh shit,
Bob.
Bob.
Wait, he said Indian yellow? I'm gonna go
shit.
with this.
Something like that.
He going
This
hell
brush
fast.
hard as hell.
Now clean the brush. I'll go right
Wasn't
into
it?
a little bit of yellow ochre. Just right into it. Don't have to clean the brush.
All right, Bob, you gonna have to hold on because I ain't even wet my damn brush yet. I'm trying to see.
Well, he said he didn't. You don't have to wet your brush. It just really hurt.
This brush is hard. Do y'all?
I think you put a little bit of orange up in that bitch.
Yeah, it's like the darker one, I think. So let's try to catch up to Bob because I am nowhere near close. Okay.
Come on, when was the last time you paint?
I want to say in college.
Oh yeah.
It might have been like junior or senior year, because at my school they had like paint and sips and stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
Where we would like hire the people to come and teach a class, and it was fun to do then. So I think that's the last time I painted. When's the last time you painted?
Last time I painted was with Bree. It was, I think it was during like the holiday season, and we painted together as a little date night.
Like Christmas?
I actually still have the painting that I painted. It's in my room.
I'm not gonna lie, painting by a candlelit, not candlelit shit, a fire. What is it?
She already tipsy.
I'm not tipsy. What fire?
A fireplace?
Sitting by an open fire. Jack Frost. Christmas is my favorite holiday. I can't wait.
So those of y'all watching, just for the record, we've been drinking for the past how many hours? 2 hours?
Since yesterday.
True. We had 2 other videos to record, as y'all can tell, because we're wearing the same outfits in the other 2 videos. So we had Breezy on Feasting with the Fam teaching us how to make her breezy peach cocktails, and then we had Sean teach us how to make Irish coffee. And now we out here drinking Monacos outside.
Yes. It's just a bunch of alcohol. We're not alcoholics.
We're not alcoholics.
We're not.
We're alcohol enthusiasts.
We're socialists. No.
We're not social. What? Alcohol enthusiasts. Social alcoholics.
Social.
There is a child rollerblading. I hope she doesn't hear us.
Just gonna go home. Mommy,
Enjoy your youth, kid.
alcoholics. Okay.
Alright, I think we're good with the yellow.
It's not mixing that. Whatever.
Yellow ochre, it's sort of a golden
See what he
color.
says. Golden.
There. Once again, without cleaning the brush.
Okay.
Bro, his wrist game.
Bright red.
Oh, we going red.
Careful with the bright red. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. But it is so strong. One tube would turn the whole Atlantic Ocean red. Be very careful with it. Don't leave
shit. Damn, Bob.
We'll just sort of blend that around like that.
Alright, I need a moment. Because he told me don't put too much red in. What did I do?
Let me see.
Too much red. You have like a foamy one. Mine's like really, really hard. But it's okay.
There should be another foamy one in here.
Is it? Okay,
There you go,
let me
sis.
get that. I'm struggling.
I don't know, y'all. I don't know.
Normally I'm pretty good at this. Maybe the alcohol drinking with it is not the best solution, but I mean, hey.
It's a nice day. This Monaco is good.
It really is.
Can we say their name in the video? We don't get copyrighted for that, are we?
No, we just won't get no money.
That's
Sadly.
you. I mean, Monica, if you want to sponsor us,
We would gladly take it.
Gladly.
You all have some very good drinks.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just think people don't say their stuff because they're not getting paid, which I respectfully understand.
True.
All right, Bob.
But,
Let's see what you.
With our 54 subscribers, I'm pretty sure.
Which we're gonna get up, by the way. So you should tell your friends, your family, your granny, your grandpa, your mama,
Your
whoever.
exes, we don't care. Let us know.
I don't promote exes. I just. Let's not be toxic on this channel, okay? We're gonna be a family. I'm gonna be honest with you. We don't promote that over here, unless you guys are really good friends. I promote that.
True. Disclaimer.
Yeah. But let's go ahead and see what Bob has to say now.
There. That's pretty already. Shoot, I like that.
This is such ASMR. The sound of his brush.
And the rest of the sky.
I don't really like ASMR unless it's like my sleep sounds.
Let's use a lavender.
True.
Color. Just brush mix it here. I'll use
Lavender?
A little blue, glycerin crimson.
So blue and crimson makes
Much
lavender.
more crimson.
All right.
I guess.
Well, we don't have a dark blue, so I might go blue, red, because blue and red make purple. Might put a little black in it.
I'm gonna follow your lead.
Alright.
And blue, because it's
See what we
crimson's a weak color compared to the blue.
Also,
Alright, let's go up in here.
we don't have a palette, so we're just using plastic plates, so we can't really
just let it play.
do what he's doing.
Here and there and there and here. There. Just wherever. Sometimes it
Ooh,
goes
it's
to the
actually
red
pretty
side,
color.
sometimes to the blue. It doesn't matter. There we are. Gorgeous colors. Now then,
I love his voice.
we got that little phthalo blue and just hit it here and there up toward the top.
Oh, he's hitting the
Don't
whole
want that
thing.
glue against it.
Alright, Bob. Damn. Trying to get my purple going here.
True. Wait, I'm gonna add some more room with this bitch.
I would recommend for you all to have an easel. We are holding ours, which is probably not the best way to paint.
Look,
hey.
you need what you need, or you can get what you get, I should say. But shout out to Breezy for giving us these.
Yes, thanks, Breezy. I know y'all probably
These
looking at my shit like, what the hell? But hey, it's all in the end of what it'll look like. It's what is important.
Should we make a toast
Two.
to a successful season 3?
I'm all about it.
All right, bet.
I think Brianna's trying to use tactic to win, but I'm just gonna go ahead and drink because that's just fun to do anyway.
Cheers, my friend.
All right, you're supposed to look each other in the eye
What? Okay.
when you toast.
Cheers, my friend.
I saw it on some TV show. You're supposed to like look each other in the eye. That's the only way the toast will come true. So hey, I want all the success in the world.
So you're saying if I toast that I won $1 million, it'll come true if I look at it?
No, I am not a fortune teller, so I can't wish that for you. But
Well, I'll just manifest it for
you
myself.
can, yeah, you just
Or pray for it, whatever.
whatever the
One of
Lord
the
got
two.
for you,
True.
your universe, the Lord got for you, whatever your denomination.
I think mine.
It's kind of.
I don't know. Right now, mine looks like ketchup and mustard
But I feel like with
and
painting
barbecue
it-
sauce.
Oh damn, you got brown over there or something? Oh yeah. That too. I'm not drunk, y'all, I promise. I just have weird hiccups and sneezes and burps. Like, they're never just one thing. I have like a compilation of stuff. Compilation of it. It's just not fun at all. Alright, let's see what Bob's talking about now.
Green or yellow hair will get green.
We're gonna get
Wash
green.
the brush.
Oh, he washed the brush.
Most fun part of this whole procedure.
Don't wash it in alcohol.
Shake it off.
Oh no.
What's just beat the devil out of it. Now then, clean, dry brush. Let's begin blending these colors together. Just blend them together.
There.
Because the
Damn.
liquid lights under there.
I don't drips. This is why I wore clothes today I didn't care about, because I felt like this was gonna happen. Brush is not clean. Okay, so Bob said blend this in, so I don't know how. No, he said we're gonna start blending the colors in, so
I'm nervous.
this gonna look this real like dookie like, and I don't like that.
Dookie.
So I'm just gonna, I'm gonna stop. Let's see what Bob has to say.
You can literally move and blend color. That's
really?
exactly what we're doing.
That's not happening here.
I just beat the brush to remove any paint that I picked up without going through the whole cleaning procedure. In layman terms, that's called laziness.
Ooh, what do you call lazy?
Just didn't want to bother cleaning the whole brush.
Call him something.
Maybe
Oh,
something
okay, cool.
about like that.
Just make sure.
Now then, today, let's put some clouds up here in the sky. We're gonna have a sky that's just gorgeous, shiny, bright, a lot of color in it. There we go. I usually wipe the old brush against a paper towel to be sure I've got all the excess paint removed.
You probably use another brush.
Let's have a big cloud. For that, I'm gonna go into the titanium white. I'll be right back.
Okay.
See you later.
I think I'm gonna use a fan brush for this because his looks kind of fanny. That's funny. Okay, he said he's gonna be back. So what are you doing?
Wait, there. Bright red with it. Shoot, let's make a firecracker, a sparkler.
A firecracker.
Maybe in our world there lives.
Alright, so we have the grand reveal. Just keep in mind that we were a little bit tipsy, so these aren't the best. And y'all ready? Let us know which one, either Khamari or mine. Let us know which one you guys think is the best.
I'm not confident at all. He lost me when we got to the trees, as you can see.
Yeah, and he lost me when he got to the trees. So
yeah, I don't even know where she got a river from. I'm so confused at this point.
you got a river right there. This.
I thought that was the ground.
No.
See, I don't know, but you know, Bob
did
won.
the damn thing.
Yeah,
he did the damn thing.
I don't know how the hell.
So yeah, let us know in the comment section who has the best painting, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah, we tried.
That's it. It's a wrap.
Right.
I'm not sitting painting until a while from now. All right. Bye fam.